my name is Shrihan. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to draw Marshall from Paw Patrol. What we need is a pencil, eraser, and some colored pencils. Let's start. Okay, so first we draw a curve. Okay, and now you draw like a O shape under it. Okay. Now you draw another curve for the Marshalls, like under his nose. Now you draw a circle under it, and another circle. And then you draw a baby circle in there. And you draw another one connecting to it. You draw a line like that. Okay, next we're going to draw a line up here. And you go down and you do like that. On the same thing on the other side. Okay. Here we're going to circle. And then with that, here it looks. You start from there and you just draw a line right there. But here you just connect. And now you draw like a line like that. Then you just like that. You draw a curve right there, and you draw a baby line there, and you draw like that, and you draw another one. A paw print on your thing, on your paper. You draw a bump, two bumps on each side. And now you draw a curve right there for the Marshall's chin. And you do a line down there for the mouth. You draw two curved W's. Okay, so you start from there and you draw two lines like that. I always forgot. You have to put that, you have to put one more circle inside. And you put some some dark lines on you can do any kind of dark line you want. Like any kind of color you want. How many you want? I'm going to do some of them. And you start from there where you didn't do the curve and you draw a line out. Another one like that. Okay. Let's start coloring. For now, you take your light yellow, light yellow, and you color in that circle. And you do another one right there. Color that one in. Is that good now? Next, you take your red and you outline it. I know you guys are noticing why I'm moving it, so it can be easy from tracing it. Now this, color that in. towards you get to here, you trace that part. Okay. I'm going to put a red line right there and color in that part. Okay. Now you take your black, you outline the nose. And you just color it in. So from here, so dark. So when I get light, I get lighter and lighter and lighter. Dark, lighter, lighter, and lighter, and lighter, and lighter, as you go. And you take your black and you outline your spots from the marshal. You outline one, then you go coloring. You put your red away, and black away. You take your red again, and I forgot to color in that one. That's all. Now you just take your light blue and you color in this part of the eye. I'm just gonna color the whole thing. Just color the whole thing, but not that baby circle. And next you take your really light gray and you color in this piece, that badge piece, and your badge in the middle piece. But now you can't kind of see it, right? So you take your black color pencil and you outline it. Okay, so here you go. This is how my marshall looks now. Thank you for watching my videos.